Hello everyone, this is Metaverse Tech. Welcome back to our channel. Before we start, please hit the subscribe button. Also, go to our online store in the description below to hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button so that you will be able to get a bonus. In this video today, we're going to talk about transferring your farm account to another account. And why do you need to do this? Ethereum 2.0 is right around the corner, and let's say you wish to sell your mining rig to another buyer. And this is the time for you to know how it works.
Okay.
It is actually very user-friendly.
Okay.
First of all, you go to your farm, and you will see your workers.
And
then hit the button More while using your cell phone, and then Settings. And then go to Advanced Settings. You'll see Transfer Farm. Transfer farm to another user. Enter login of an existing user who will be the farm's new owner. Then you will see Transfer Farm. Transfer farm to another user. Enter login of an existing user who will be the farm's new owner. Okay, you simply type in the user's email or account information here. For example, if we entered in this one, and then hit the transfer button when you are finished. And then a window will pop up requiring your confirmation, and you will see the need for the 2FA verification code. And then you enter in the 6-digit code and press confirm, and then you're done. However, it's very important for you to know. Be forewarned that if you do this, your account will be transferred to another user and you will lose access to this account permanently. So before doing this, you have to be careful and be sure this is what you want to do. Anyway, that is all for today, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
祝大家天天开心，干杯！